channel. Here we are again. Me and my husband decided to try and see what this whole getaway house thing was about. So we went ahead and we rented our cabin at the Chicago Post. Even though it's the Chicago Post, it is located in Grand Junction, Michigan. It is about 2 hours away from Chicago, and it's 3 hours away from where we live at in Michigan. So it was a nice little road trip. And as you can see here, these are all the different little cabins that's on the main site. There's a good amount of space in between each one, so you do have your privacy and you do feel somewhat secluded, but you know, just a little bit away, somebody is there. They do have a whole team that stays on site. So if in case of emergency, you will always be able to get in contact with someone. But me and my husband decided to take this little trip, a little mini vacation, or some of you would call it a vacation. We needed to get away and unplug. So much has been going on in the last couple of months. As you guys know, I lost my mom, and I felt like I just needed to unplug and just get away for a little bit. So we decided to do this, and we are going to take you guys along the ride with us. So stay tuned, because we're going to show you the cabin. We did a lot of fun stuff in the nearby city. We're going to take you along, and hopefully this answers a lot of you guys' questions. So stay tuned. So guys, we just put up to our getaway house, and I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how it looks. So far, the drive here was a long drive, but it's really nice. And I think this is going to be a nice little unplug vacation that me and my hubby is taking. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything pretty much. Alright, so when you guys first come in, you obviously see the bed and the big window that is known for. What size bed do you think this is? Queen. This is a queen size bed. It has a big window as well as this side window, and they do have blinds, so you are able to open and close the blinds however you feel, you know, you want to do it. Right next to the bed is this table. They leave you a nice little handwritten note there and some of the ground rules. They have a s'more kit for you, and also this cell phone lockbox, so you can have a true escape and forget about your phone and just really unplug. They give you one chair, which is pretty much all you need, because right by the bed is this little bench and you can sit, you know, the second person can sit on this side. They have a lantern, and then right behind me is like the kitchen area. And don't worry, you guys, because when we came in here, it is so nice and cool, because they do have AC for the summer and heat for the winter, which is right here. They do provide a refrigerator, so keep your whatever's cold. They do have a little cooktop, a little stove cooktop. They provide you a kettle, a nice refrigerator, excuse me, Keto. I mean, not refrigerator, a nice little sink with running water. They provide you the soap, a little sponge to wash dishes, everything you need to cook something. So they have your knives, your can opener. They have 2 lighters, some scissors, some tongs. Up here they have a cutting board, pots and pans, seasonings, look like forks and knives, some sugar and creamer, and they even have, oh, they have, I've never seen this, they have packaged olive oil. You guys see this? I've never seen this, and this is so nice because I did bring oil, not knowing if they had oil up here. So this is really nice. Let me bring this down so you guys can see. So we got 2 dish rags, clearly salt and pepper, the olive oil, salt and pepper, the olive oil, and creamer. That is really nice. I've never seen packaged olive oil like that. They give you some cups, bowls, look like mugs. You got space here for storage, a mirror, that's nice. And then like the old-timey radio, if you want to listen to some radio, and then some books and some cards. And I'm glad the cards are here because totally forgot to bring the board games I wanted to bring. And then space up here for storage. So over here they also provide you with some look like tea off, and some coffee, but I don't think this is like concluded because here go a list of the prices if you want to use any of that. But luckily we bring our own coffee and bug spray and things like that. Here is a phone in case of emergency. You have a landline because here your cell phones might not work because, you know, you're out in the woods. Over here behind the door they do give you some hooks, you know. We already got our backpack up there, and the way you get in is by the smart lock, which is pretty cool. Okay, you got a fire extinguisher in case you start a freaking fire. Now the best part is here, the bathroom, you guys. You get a real toilet that flushes. They provide you with towels and tissue paper. We did bring extra towels from home, and we brought some of our own toilet paper because we didn't know the grade of toilet paper here. We don't play around with toilet paper. You got a little trash can. This is how you turn the light on. When you turn the light on, it also has an automatic fan with it. And here is the shower. You get a real shower. Go through the glass door. You got a real shower. They provide you with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. But this is cool, you guys. You get a real shower. So I'm gonna try to open this up and let you see the view of the entire place. And this is where we're going to be for the next few days. When you go outside, got yourself a picnic area. If you have a dog, they provided a leash next time we know, so we'll bring our dog. And then this little sitting area over here with the fire pit. And they provide wood for you as well. Now they're not very close. I think the one is over there and then one is over here, but you can't see each other. I think probably in the winter time is when it's more bare with the leaves being gone, and you probably can see each other more. But yeah, they're just right through there. Here's the view from this way. Nice, peaceful. They have instructions on them being quiet. Well, not instructions on being quiet, but very planned out wording on the table about being quiet, or you will be fined $100, and they will donate that to the local conservation group. So little rules here. A nice total privacy. You got a little trail back here. Watch where I step because just total privacy. Time to get away. This is how the back of it looks. You guys want to know exactly which one it is? It's Jasper. They all got different names on them. So we are about to get settled in and we'll come back to you guys later. So you guys, we are back. And right now I'm just doing a couple of hot dogs on. I know we just want to eat something really quick, but we bought a ton of food here. We plan on grilling a lot. We unpacked a little bit. This little refrigerator holds a lot. So we got our vegetables down there. We got our hamburgers. We're gonna grill up some salmon and some lobster tails. We got some hot sausages and then bacon and eggs for the morning. And I got potatoes to make hash browns. And then we got more hot dogs. We got breakfast sausage underneath. Definitely bought some butter. And then our little drinks here. So this refrigerator holds a lot, and then we got ice up here in this ice drawer. Hopefully to keep our ice nice and solid. But we're just now getting ready to we wanted something really quick to eat without having to go start a whole fire. So we're going to just have a few hot dogs and just sit here and enjoy it. It's so nice, you guys. So nice. Let me show you guys the view. Here, scooch over back.
Bear dome.
Bear dome. This is.
See them black dots?
Oh yeah, that's somebody. I think that's. I don't know what that is. And this is our little campsite right here. And as I told you guys, that's our neighbors, but you can't see their cabin. And their cabin window is on the same side as our window, so their cabin back is to us. Meaning this is the back, and that's what's facing us, so it's not like they can see us. But this is the room. I highly recommend you guys, if you're close to a post, they got a post all on the west coast of the United States. They have few posts like just scattered through, and then they have some like on the East Coast, and they call them posts. And just go to thegetawayhouse.com. You can find one that's nearest you. This one was a good 3 hours away from us, but the drive wasn't too bad, and we got to see more of what we would never go see in Michigan. So it's day 2. We are just now getting up, getting ready. It's about almost 3 o'clock, and we are going to go and find us a trail and rent some bikes and try to just do things on a whim. We really didn't have anything really planned out. We didn't want a set itinerary, and we just wanted to relax and just do whatever came to mind. So we are getting ready to go, and we'll take you guys on this journey with us. like I just showed you, even though we're out here in the wilderness, you're not like out here by yourself. They do have a whole base where the staff workers are in case of an emergency. So, you know, if that's some of you guys' questions, like, you know, the safety matter, it's, to me, is very secure. You know, you have not just the ordinary lock to get inside. It's a smart lock, and we only got the codes to it. It just seemed, I don't feel unsafe there, but everything is secure to me. The one thing that I find absolutely nuts is coming out here and seeing how these farms have turned to weed farms, because weed is fairly new in Michigan as far as growing it, and how there's fields and fields and fields of weed growing. And the crazy part, the crazy part about it is how many people are in prison for growing and selling weed, and now it's legal and them people are still in prison. And out here it's just fields and fields of weed growing. It's wild to me. But once we get to where we're going, we'll touch back with you. So you guys, we are here at the bike shop. We done got our bikes. They fitted us, and we are going to take a ride around. We don't know where we're going. Nothing in this plan, but we are definitely going to enjoy our time here. They got a ton of bikes too, and they have scooters, but no. I went and got my knife. You guys can see that.